Hey everyone, it's me, Janette. Welcome back, and I want to do another fun project with you guys. Alright, so I wanted to do a project that is Valentine's Day themed. So what we have here, I have some beads that are red and pink and white. I have some construction paper that I pre-cut. And then I have red and I have pink. I needed a glue stick, some scissors, and some yarn. So we're gonna make a necklace, and you could even do this and make bracelets if you would like. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let me go ahead and I'm going to cut the yarn to the length that I want. So if you want it to hang lower, you can put it around your neck. So I'll do that. Okay, so the first step that I'm going to take, I'm going to go ahead and take my hearts and I'm going to glue the pink onto the red. I want it to give it a little design. All right, so I'll just put that on the pink one. My heart is on there, right? And then I'll just make sure you press it to make sure it's sticking good onto the red paper. Now I'm going to take my yarn, and I already pre-cut a hole into it. You can put our yarn in there. Alright, so you put it through there. I'm going to pull. I'm going to make sure it's in the middle. Alright, so you want to make sure each side is even. That's pretty even. Right. Okay, so we're good to go with that part. So next, we're going to go ahead and add our beads. And I want to do different colors, so that's why I chose the pink and the red and the white. Let's get this. So let's start with the pink. I'm going to do red, and I'm going to add a white one, and then you're going to do the same to the other side. I'm going to go ahead and add the same colors again, and put a little bit more beads on there to help with the design. So pink, red, and then white. Okay, so I have the red, and then let's just add our white, and then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side of your yarn. And I found these beads that are little red hearts. So I'm going to go ahead and add those on each end. So let's do it on this one. Roll it so it can fit through there. Alright. Awesome. And remember, if you need help, make sure you ask an adult and they can help you with your project. Some little things could be difficult. And just remember to make it the way that you want to make it. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine. Alright. Okay. So I have this, and then now we just need to tie the end. I'm going to make sure it's tight. And then, here we go. We have our Valentine's Day necklace.